Hello students, welcome back to our online class. So students, please take out your English 2 book, chapter 5, page number 25, that is articles. So today we will discuss about articles. Okay. Now, what do you mean by articles? Can you tell me anyone what do you mean by articles? So articles are like words a and the. These are called articles. Okay, a and the. A and the are called articles. That's why I have written here a single inverted comma, because a, particularly a and the, someone might think a and the, these are called articles. And is not the article. Okay, it's the way I'm speaking. A and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. So these three are articles. Clear? So the words a and the are called articles. They are used before nouns and help us to refer to nouns in general or specifically depending upon the situation. Now, where articles are used? Articles are used before nouns and they help us to refer any noun. Okay, they help us to refer to nouns, whether in general or specifically. Now that is depends upon the situation. There are two different kinds of articles. One is indefinite article and second is definite article. Okay. Indefinite articles and definite articles. Now what are indefinite articles? Now this a and n are indefinite articles. A and n are indefinite articles and definite article is only the. Clear? The is definite article. Now, indefinite article, okay, indefinite article, we use them with singular countable nouns when talking about them for the first time. So we use a or n before singular countable noun only when we are talking for the first time. What are singular countable noun? Singular means one, like book. Countable means book. Book can also be counted. So before book we can use a or n. Okay, when talking about the first time, we can use, when we talk for the first time, we have to use a or n. A is used before noun that begin with a consonant or consonant sound, and n is used before nouns that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Now what is vowel and consonant? Vowel is A, E, I, O, U is not it. These are vowels, and beside that B, C, D, F, G and so on. Not these. Except these 5 vowels, everything is consonant. Okay, these are vowels. So where we use A, we use A that begin with consonant or consonant sound. Okay, I've already told. A book, got it? Consonant, not a book. B is a consonant, is not it? Like that. Now we cannot use an book because B is consonant, not vowel, and n is used before noun that begin with vowel or vowel sound. And orange, because O is vowel or not? A, E, I, O, U. O is vowel, is not it? And orange. That's why we cannot use a orange. It is an orange. Again, I'll give one example that begin with vowel or vowel sound. Remember vowel sound. That I will give one example of here also. Now, and R. How does you pronounce this? Is it hour or R? We pronounce it as R. Okay, R means time. 1 hour, 2 hours is not it. How we used to pronounce R? H-O-U-R is R. That means H is silent. H is silent, that we pronounce R. R. It's not R. R. It comes in R comes where? In vowel or not? A, E, I, O, U. It's not it. R. R sounds in R. Is not it? This is vowel, our sound. And R, A is vowel. So that is what we used to write an R. Not a hour. It's not hour. It's R. Clear? So this is called indefinite articles. Now what is definite articles? The is the definite article and it is used when we refer to a specific noun or when we refer to a noun which we have already spoken about before. So where the is used? So the is the definite article. So it is used when we refer to a specific noun or when we have spoken about before. We use definite article the before singular nouns that represent a whole class. Now singular noun, okay, singular noun represent the whole class. Now who represents the whole class? Suppose represent the horse is a noble animal, okay, the horse is a noble animal. The horse is a noble animal, is not it? So horse, the horse represents the class horse. Now we are not talking about only one particular horse, we are talking as a whole, is not it, about all the horses. So whatever horses there are the horse, so these horses are noble animals. So the horse is a noble animal. So that is why it is written where it is when then that is why it is said that we use definite article the before singular nouns that represent a whole class, okay. And before, and where do we use today? Before the name of holy books, the is used before the name of the holy books like the Bhagavad Gita, the names of important buildings, then before the name of the important buildings, that is the Eiffel Tower, is not it? Then adjectives that are used as nouns. Adjectives that are used as nouns. For example, the brave always find a way there where there is none. The superlative form of adjectives. What is the superlative form? Good, better, best, is not it? So best, superlative form. This is the best dance performance we have ever seen. So the is used or not? This is the best performance. So there it is used before superlative, before the superlative form of adjectives. And before the is used, the is also used before the names of things that are unique. Unique is the sun is overcast and the sun is not visible today. Have you seen another sun? No, is not it? The Brahmaputra is a mighty river. Is not it? Have you seen another Brahmaputra? So these makes these things unique, is not it? The names of oceans, rivers, deserts, mountain ranges and certain countries. So the is also used before oceans, rivers, deserts, mountains, the river Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Yamuna, the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert, then the Karakoram, the mountain ranges like the Karakoram range, is not it? The Himalayan range and certain countries, the United States of America, is not it? So these are the examples. So the is used in this manner. So we have come to an end of articles. Articles is not that tough, students. So please practice the exercise and I'll be giving you some of the answers, okay? So till then, thank you and study properly.